when it comes into the cooler months to have a nice, warm, comforting, smooth soup. What I haven't liked is making it. In the past, I've chopped vegetables, thrown them in the pot with the water, soaked all my pulses and waited, and then cooked it all up. Then I have to wait for the soup to cool, or the batch of ingredients to cool, before I blend in a small blender in batches. Well, I'm not doing that anymore. I've got this new Froothie, which I bought, which has 2 jugs. This is a cold jug for blending your oats and making sauces, dips and all that sort of thing, which I've used to death at the moment. But I'm going to remove that and show you my Froothie hot jug, which is what I'm going to make my soup in. So this little baby will cook everything. It can steam, but I'm not going to steam. I wanted to see whether this would perform as a one-step soup making operation. So I'm just going to take the lid off and show you. There's a basket inside. You can steam the veggies first, or just steam veggies if that's what you want, but I'm not even going to do that today. So we're going to get rid of this. So it has a different lid, stainless steel lid. It'll take the temperature. It goes quite high. When the soup is finished, it'll be ready to eat at the right temperature. So we'll put that aside. And so what we're going to do is just add the ingredients, layered, raw. Starting at the bottom, I'm going to put some onion in and some garlic, and we'll go from there. About the level that you want it to be, 1400 mils. That will give us 2 75ml cups of soup, and you'll get about 5 good cups out of that batch. So put the lid on now and fire it up. So I want to make smooth soup. So on the menu there is smooth soup, and it's the first one. So I'll highlight that. 30 minutes to go, and we should have soup.